In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram passkey error on Windows. If Telegram is refusing to create, use, or verify your passkey, the problem is often related to Windows Hello, an old passkey entry, or an outdated or unofficial Telegram application. We'll check each of these areas step by step so you can get Passkey login working again without unnecessarily changing your account settings. If this guide helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical Telegram and Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, confirm that Windows Hello is enabled on your computer. Telegram desktop on Windows uses Windows Hello to process passkey verification. That means your PC needs to have at least one supported sign-in method configured, such as a Windows Hello PIN, facial recognition, or fingerprint recognition. To check this, open the Windows Start menu and select Settings. You can also press Windows and I on your keyboard to open settings quickly. Next, select Accounts and then choose Sign-in options. On this page, look for the Windows Hello options. Depending on your computer, you may see Windows Hello PIN, facial recognition, or fingerprint recognition. If Windows Hello PIN is not set up, select the option and follow the instructions to create one. You may need to confirm your current Windows account password before choosing a PIN. If your computer supports a camera or fingerprint reader, you can also configure facial recognition or fingerprint sign-in. The important thing is to have an active Windows Hello method available, because Telegram may not be able to complete passkey verification without it. After setting up Windows Hello, close Telegram completely and open it again. Then try the passkey action one more time. If Telegram displays a Windows security prompt, follow the instructions and verify your identity using your PIN, face, or fingerprint. If the error is still appearing, continue with the next step. The second solution is to check your saved Windows passkeys for an old or conflicting Telegram entry. A corrupted passkey record can prevent Telegram from creating a new passkey or completing verification correctly. Open Windows Settings again by selecting Start, then Settings. Choose Accounts and look for passkeys. On some Windows versions, this section may be located under Sign-in options, so check there if you do not immediately see a separate passkeys menu. Review the passkeys listed on your computer and look for an entry related to Telegram. If you find an old duplicate or suspicious Telegram passkey, select it and choose the option to delete or remove it. Only remove the Telegram entry you intend to replace and avoid deleting passkeys for services you still use. Once the old Telegram passkey has been removed, restart Telegram desktop. Open the Telegram settings and return to the passkey or security section. Try adding a new passkey from inside the official Telegram app. When Windows asks you to verify your identity, use the Windows Hello PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition method that you configured earlier. If the new passkey is created successfully, test it before closing the settings. Lock the Telegram session or sign out only if you are comfortable doing so, and then confirm that the new passkey can be used to verify your account. This helps make sure the problem has actually been resolved. The final step is to confirm that you are using the official Telegram desktop client. Passkeys may not work correctly in unofficial wrappers, modified applications, third-party launchers, or older Telegram versions. Even if the application looks similar to Telegram, it may not support the same security features as the official Windows client. Check the application installed on your computer and make sure it is the official Telegram desktop app for Windows. Update it to the latest available version through the official Telegram website or a trusted official distribution source. Avoid downloading modified installers or applications that claim to add extra features, because they may not support passkeys and can create additional security risks. After installing or updating the official client, sign into Telegram again if necessary and open the security settings. Try creating or using the passkey one more time. Make sure Windows Hello is active, the old Telegram passkey has been removed if it was corrupted, and the Telegram application is fully updated. To quickly recap, first enable Windows Hello under Settings, Accounts, and Sign-in options. Next, check Windows Settings under Accounts and Passkeys, or under Sign-in options, and remove any conflicting Telegram entry. Finally, use the official and updated Telegram desktop application, because unofficial wrappers and older versions may not support passkeys properly. If the Telegram passkey error is fixed, let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. And if this tutorial was useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.